I believe that more than ever, courage is what's going to define us. I can see how leaders are not just managing uncertainty, they're literally navigating a level of disruption that we've never seen before. And if there's one thing that leaders and organization require, is courage.
I traveled the planet to meet some of the most courageous people I could find, from renowned entrepreneurs to women empowerment advocates in the Amazon. So all to uncover what the essence of courage is.
We somehow think that these people are fearless. Now the truth is, courageous people not only have fear, courageous people are just intimate with it. Fear is the vanguard to courage.
I know that some of you are going through some pretty scary situations right now. The opposite of courage isn't fear. The opposite of courage is inaction. It takes courage to innovate and disrupt in an environment which is literally steeped in complexity. It takes courage to act before others believe.
Courage isn't a soft skill. It's the essential driver behind agility, innovation, and resilience.
Courage isn't a character trait that some people have and others don't. Aristotle described courage like a craft.
This means that courage isn't innate. It's something we can all develop.
In my keynotes, I developed a process to help organizations and individuals build courage to face whatever uncertainty is still ahead. By following these 5 steps that are steeped in neuroscience and neuroplasticity, individuals and teams can better adapt to fear, uncertainty, and adversity with more courage and clarity.
There's one piece of advice that always stuck with me, and it was this. In Italian, it's testa giù e vai. Put your head down and just go. Volition means the willingness to act. If you weigh up your options too long, you will never go. We're here together in Riyadh to do important work. We founders and entrepreneurs, we innovators and investors, we mothers and fathers and members of our community, we have a duty and an opportunity to step forward and lead when others are hiding at the back of the room. A duty to dare and disrupt when others are scared and playing it safe. To take risks when others are doubting us. To go in that direction where people tell us, no, it's crazy. We are here to make a difference.
In a volatile, uncertain market, leaders must take decisive action despite the risk. And the ability to make decisions in uncertain times and difficult times requires an incredible amount of courage.
The adversity that we all face actually makes the end destination even more glorious. And so the next time you get the opportunity to do something scary, the next time you feel that knot in the stomach, testa giù e vai, just go. Choose courage, because it will allow you to go places and do things that otherwise would be completely denied to you.
My name is Julian Pistone, and I want to give you the courage to face anything.